I'm blessed to have Mama Papa as my parents because I don't know, like my parents are very open to change. You know, they used to tell me कि बेटा नहीं शादी करना तो बहुत important है, but then slowly they realized that there's a lot of pressure that the society is already putting on women, and they also have realized that if you are putting pressure, there are times where you rush into a relationship or a marriage, and when you're rushing into it, you tend to ignore a lot of things that might be, wrong,
troublesome in the long run.
Yeah. So I think my parents understand that very well.
दोस्तों के साथ हूँ, चाहे वो फीमेल फ्रेंड्स हैं, चाहे वो मेल फ्रेंड्स हैं, so I think I'll have the freedom to crack a joke and they'll know that it's a joke.
Yeah.
Right?
You don't mean anything beyond that.
Yeah, I don't mean anything beyond that. So I don't think I have to think much about when I'm saying something in front of my friends. Maybe, but in a public space or maybe on the internet, I think you need to obviously double check what you're saying and also see it from the eyes of the troll.
मैं कौन होती हूँ
But I mean, I'm sure you must be having some opinion on that.
भाई बात कर लो, मतलब मुझे लगता है कई लोग तो they are शर्म में बात ही नहीं करते कि नहीं अब नहीं कभी और कर लूंगी, ये कोई समय नहीं होता, मैं तो वहीं कर लेती हूँ. जो मेरे दिमाग में आ रहा है मैं वहीं बोल देती हूँ कि अच्छा listen la 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 la.
It might carry all this message, but at the top level it has to be a very personal and very heartfelt coming of age story of this very beautiful person as such. And that's how we based it, and we are so blessed that I had someone like Sanya, who is this lovely child woman and fresh faced, like how we go for a new job. She was that excited about her wedding.
I've also learned a hard way, क्योंकि मैं भी ऐसी थी कहीं ना कहीं पहले कि अब भी नहीं बताऊंगी, कुछ महीना बाद बताऊंगी इसको कि मुझे क्या चाहिए. But the reality is कि nobody has the ability to read your mind. So communicate. That's it. Hi, I'm Sanya Malhotra.
Hi, I'm Nishant Dahiya.
Hi, I'm Aarti.
और आप हमें देख रहे हैं
शुभजीत के YouTube
चैनल पे. Like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to watch Mrs.
on 7th Feb on Z5. Yeah.
क्या बात है, everything said and done.
Yes.
Thank you. अच्छा, तो यहाँ पे एक स्टेटमेंट है, उसको कहते हैं कि शादी के लड्डू जो खाए वो पचता है, जो नहीं खाए वो भी पचता है. लेकिन यहाँ पे स्पेसिफिकली हम लोग एक जेंडर के बारे में बात करना चाहते हैं इन अ वेरी कंस्ट्रक्टिव वे, बिकॉज मोर ऑफन देन नॉट इट्स दैट जेंडर which is at the receiving end of a lot of things, and I believe this very interesting project that's coming on Z5, ladies and gentlemen, नाम बहुत ही छोटा है मिसेस, बट देन काम जो है उसका वो बहुत ही बड़ा है, बहुत ही तगड़ा है. द वंडरफुल कास्ट एंड क्रू ऑफ मिसेस ओवर हियर. Z5 में आने वाला है 7 फरवरी को. थैंक यू सो मच सानिया, थैंक यू सो मच निशांत भाई, थैंक यू सो मच मैम for joining me over here. It's a pleasure. It's a pleasure as always. I want to start with you and I want to ask you this one thing. Settle down, ये जो एक टर्म होता है स्पेसिफिकली विद वुमेन, हम लोग सुनते हैं कि व्हेन आर यू सेटलिंग डाउन, हालांकि if you're doing really well professionally, you're already settled. But हमारे देश में specifically ये settle down term जो है, we kind of associate it with marriage, which I don't know why it is not changing. Do you see that changing going forward, or you see a lot, or you feel that there's a lot more awareness around these conversations that's still needed?
I personally बताती हूँ, I think I'm blessed to have Mama Papa as my parents because I don't know, like my parents are very open to change. They used to tell me कि बेटा नहीं शादी करना तो बहुत important है, but then slowly they realized that there's a lot of pressure that the society is already putting on women, and I have an elder sister and she got married, and I can see that change happening in my family, where they have realized that times have changed. Their daughters are well settled in life financially. They're independent. They're taking care of themselves, and I have no pressure at all to get married. And they also have realized that if you are putting pressure, there are times where you rush into a relationship or a marriage, and when you're rushing into it, you tend to ignore a lot of things that might be, wrong.
Troublesome in the long run.
Yeah. So I think my parents understand that very well, and I would just hope that other parents also see that, like, if your daughters are working, if they are well settled financially, and are happy in life, then maybe that is also a beautiful thing to celebrate, and not just being married and finding a companion.
Absolutely.
Which I think everyone should find a companion,
Yeah.
They should
at their
take their own
own-
course of
yeah,
time. That is
right.
what it is.
Yeah.
Ma'am, I want to ask you this one thing. When you make a project like this, which of course tells you the story of a lot of women who face something like that, I
Yes.
mean, it's very common situation,
Yeah.
unfortunate but very common, right? We cannot ignore the reality.
Yeah.
When you make something like this, for people who are having a very open vision and an open mindset, they will be open, they will be seeing it as a progressive thing.
Yeah.
But on the other hand, there are also people who will, just randomly label it as, maybe pseudo-feminism, this,
Yeah.
that, etc. There is
Yeah.
also that section of the people that exists, and I'm
Yes.
sure you know that, right?
Yes.
When you make a project like this, how do you ensure कि वो जो negativity थोड़ा बहुत जो आने वाला है at any cost,
Yeah.
how do you minimize it as much as possible?
Yeah.
Because you want to hit bang on point when it
Yes.
comes to the points you want to deliver with your
yes.
project.
Yeah.
But वो negativity को जितना कम हो सके वो रखना है. How do you do that as a
That's
director?
a very good question, and the only way for me to do it is by making it a very strong story of this character. It might carry all this message, but at the top level, it has to be a very personal and very heartfelt coming of age story of this very beautiful person as such.
Ji.
And that's how we based it, and we are so blessed that I had someone like Sanya, who is this lovely child woman, and fresh faced, like how we go for a new job. She was that excited about her wedding, and so it was her I mean, it is carrying a load of so many stories, but for me, when I was making the film, I was just thinking of this, like how you have this Arjuna's, is like focused on that.
Lakshmanazar.
Yeah. So I was like, her story has to be very consistent. And it has to be her personal story, and we have to be focused on her emotions. So nothing extra was coming. What she was feeling, now as a byproduct, you're realizing that, okay, this is every woman's story. But like for me, it was, that's first
Through the lens of
her.
her
It has to be a very solid coming of age story of this girl. And that's, I hope, like, it's about this girl who is passionate about dancing and about enthusiastic about her life and how she's feeling boxed in. So that was the story for me.
I think very nicely put and
Yeah.
described, because
Yeah.
it's very good that you've put that message loud and clear. Right? It's
Yeah.
very important.
Yeah.
I want to ask you the flip side of the coin wala sawal. I'm a man myself, right? And you can see that. It's a very bad statement, kya bola maine. But then, the point is ki gender jokes jo hote, like, when you used to make jokes about women used to make jokes about men, say maybe 10 years, 12 years, 15 years back, we used to take it very normally. Right? अभी क्या होता है कि हर चीज को लेके लोग ऑफेंड हो जाते हैं. I know a lot of men around who are very progressive. Some of them are my friends who are very progressive. They are very मतलब practical and they do not mean harm. But कभी-कभी they get very fearful of the fact कि यार कुछ मैंने फीमेल जेंडर को लेके कुछ मस्ती मजाक में बोल दिया ना, तो मेरे ऊपर a lot of people can literally troll me and misunderstand me. As a man, do you sometimes feel that pressure when you are, say, maybe around your female friends, कुछ ऐसा ना बोल दूं जिसके वजह से they take offense?
नहीं, मैं ऐसा कोई अपने आप को चेक तो नहीं किया है कि वो ऑफेंस ले लेंगे, और if I call them my friends then they would understand where I'm coming from, first of all.
Right.
अपने दोस्तों के साथ हूँ, चाहे वो फीमेल फ्रेंड्स हैं चाहे वो मेल फ्रेंड्स हैं, so I think I'll have the freedom to crack a joke and they'll know that
Right.
it's a joke.
Yeah. You
Right?
don't mean
So-
anything beyond that.
Yeah, I don't mean anything beyond that. So I don't think I have to think much about when I'm saying something in front of my friends. Maybe, but in a public space or maybe on the internet, I think you need to obviously double check what you're saying and also see it from the eyes of the troller or whatever who might not like it. You have to frame the sentence
But
accordingly.
that comes from a sense of fear, right?
I don't know if it comes from a sense of fear. First of all, I'm not much on social media. I'm not I'm not on Twitter to type something like that. I'm taking your question as a hypothetical question. If I were there,
correct.
Because see, eventually, I would say that one should speak their mind, but it's a joke, right? So when you're cracking a joke, you can't be right for everyone, right? So if you're cracking a joke and you feel that it's right, your conscience says it's just a joke, and you crack it. I mean, I don't think if people are offended by it, then they are, right?
Because very quickly people get labeled as sexist and all that, which sometimes they are, and that is wrong. But sometimes a very innocent joke also gets labeled stuff like that, irrespective of gender. मर्दों के बारे में भी कुछ बोला जाता है, लड़कियों को ऐसा बोल दिया जाता है, which I feel people need to take a bit of chill pill थोड़े कुछ जगह में.
But that's with everything in life these days. I mean,
cancel culture.
Cancel culture.
That's the word.
I mean, people are not going to appreciate you for what you do. I mean, if 10 people like your work, only one will come out and appreciate. But if 10 people don't like something that you have said, 100 will come out and say it. So I mean, the trollers will always be more than the people who appreciate you. So maybe you get used to it or something like that.
Or accept it.
Yeah, accept.
Sunny, I want to ask you this thing that often what happens is that हमारे देश में क्या everywhere बोला जाता है कि शादी is not just about the two, not just about the couple but also the families. But apart from that, we often see that शादी के पहले जो एक camaraderie या comfort zone है, शादी के बाद बदल जाता है because of a lot of important discussions about the couple and the way they want to live their life. वो शायद शादी के पहले वो लोग करते नहीं है, which is why they don't even realize that aspect of the other person's personality. आपके हिसाब से a couple who's going strong in a relationship, what are those very important and mandatory discussions जो उनको हमेशा रखने चाहिए to ensure कि बाद में जाके once they get married conflict ना हो?
मैं कौन होती हूँ
but I'm sure you must be having some opinion on that.
कोई बात कर लो, मतलब मुझे लगता है कई लोग तो दे आर शर्म में बात ही नहीं करते कि नहीं अब नहीं कभी और कर लूंगी, ये कोई समय नहीं होता, मैं तो वहीं कर लेती हूँ. जो मेरे दिमाग में आ रहा है मैं वहीं बोल देती हूँ कि अच्छा लिसन ला 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 this I think I've also learned a hard way, क्योंकि मैं भी ऐसी थी कहीं ना कहीं पहले कि अब भी नहीं बताऊंगी, कुछ महीना बाद बताऊंगी इसको कि मुझे क्या चाहिए. But the reality is कि nobody has the ability to read your mind, so communicate. That's it. You ask questions and you tell the other person what you want. That's it. मतलब ये मत एक्सपेक्ट करो कि मैं बैठी हूँ यहाँ पे और मैं नाराज हूँ तो इसको पता होना चाहिए कि मैं क्यों नाराज हूँ. ये भी नहीं हो सकता. That person needs to know ना कि क्यों नाराजगी आई कहाँ से, कुछ बोला है. That can also be communicated कि यार ये तुमने मुझे बोला, ये मुझे बुरा लगा और क्यों बुरा लगा, मुझे अब सोच के रिफ्लेक्ट करके ऐसा लग रहा है कि ये मेरे साथ बहुत साल पहले हुआ था. बहुत too many things. I think just बात करके सब कुछ हो जाता है. तो उसी टाइम पूछ लो. Do not wait for the right time. There is no right time to have difficult conversation. Yeah.
Ma'am, just quickly coming to you, slowly coming to the fag end of the conversation, that key, when you make a project like this and there are so many emotions involved, you know that you're literally carrying an army of women who can resonate with that emotion, right?
Yes.
It's a huge responsibility, and at the same time, you got to keep your creative flair alive as well. That responsibility blended with your own sense of creativity, because you would anyway want that liberty, right?
Yeah.
How do you ensure कि कुछ ऐसा ना हो जाए उसमें कि लोग upset हो जाए?
हाँ, उसमें एक्चुअली मुझे लगता है कि अपनी ऑनेस्टी और सिंसियरिटी इंटैक्ट रखते हैं ना, और मैं कुछ पॉस्चरिंग नहीं करना चाहती. मैं पूरी फिल्म में हम पॉस्चरिंग नहीं कर रहे कि ये ऐसे करो. हाँ, वो मतलब वो बहुत सरलता से जो आपको दिख रहा है वो दिख रहा है. वो मुझे मतलब मैं उस पर बिलीव करती हूँ. मैं कभी ऐसे बोलना नहीं चाहती कि ऐसा हो रहा है या ये हो रहा है. मतलब आप देख रहे हो और आप समझ रहे हो उस हिसाब से. We are not putting like it's like film is A+B. You show A, but you want to audience to derive the B while they're seeing. If I do A+B, then they'll not enjoy. You want them to be also be involved in watching the film, arriving at their own conclusions. Yeah, so that's how I go about it. I make it with a lot of sincerity. That's what I believe in. I feel that I always keep telling it. This is my favorite line almost, that both sincerity and lack of sincerity is visible. So you choose what you want to show people, like,
Right.
you know, yeah.
Last question, Sania, to you before I wrap up. Ki, according to you, when you approach a project like this, when there is, you're playing a character, which again, it's quite similar. Like ma'am is directing something which can be resonated by a lot of women. You're being a part of that character, which a lot of women can resonate with, right? How much of your own self do you bring to that character, and how much of references around you do you take, and how do you blend the two to create the work that you do on screen?
I think as an actor, I feel like I have to fully empathize with the characters that I'm playing. Like, I love to step into their shoes and feel whatever they're feeling. That is the process that gives me a lot of satisfaction. I can't have, and for characters like Richa or films like Mrs., I let myself completely, be that character, because I do not want to set any boundaries and be like, हाँ ये आज मैं नहीं हूँ रिचा पर मैं आज सोच रही हूँ, पर मतलब I like to do that. So I do empathize with almost all the characters that I play, and deeply. And for this, we also met so many women and interviewed them.
Wow.
To understand her struggles and her thoughts and her feelings. I think their stories and what they shared with us really helped me create Richa.
Kya baat hai. Thank you so much. It's I believe very enriching conversation.
Yeah.
Limited time, but then we have made the most of it.
Yes.
Ladies and gentlemen, Z5 is the platform. 7th February is the date. Mrs. is the name of the project. Dekho, enjoy karo, watch it with your loved ones, watch it with anybody you want, that doesn't matter as long as you watch it, because it's a very interesting story, it's a very progressive story, and most importantly, it's a very pertinent story. Please dekho, enjoy karo. That's a wrap on the Sunny G Show. This is your host Shubhajit. I'll see you with another interesting episode very soon. Thank you so much. God bless. Take care. Stay safe. And thank you.
Thanks so much.
Thank you.
So much.
Don't